Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. So students, let's continue with our chapter number 4. So in our previous class we have discussed that what is force. So बच्चे, force is something that can bring about a change in the state of rest or motion of a body or change in the shape or size of a body. The unit of force is Newton. This is the SI units of the force. Contact forces. Forces that two bodies in contact apply on each other. For example, when we push or pull a chair. So all forces are not contact forces. Example, gravitational force. So in this chapter we will read the one contact force, that is friction. So friction is a force that opposes the motion or the tendency of motion between two surfaces that are in contact with each other. This force always acts in the opposite direction to the way of an object want to move. Next, types of friction force. First, static friction. Second, kinetic or sliding friction. Static friction. The force of friction that acts while two surfaces in contact are at rest. For example, a bookmark in a book, a car parked on the hill. The maximum value of static friction is called limiting friction. The value of the limiting friction is different for different pairs of the surfaces. If surface is smooth, friction is less, and if surface is rough, then friction is more. Next is kinetic friction or sliding friction. Kinetic friction is also known as sliding or rolling friction. Kinetic friction is the force of friction that acts when the surface slides over another. For example, a child sliding down through a slide in a park. Our next topic is friction depends on the surface in contact. Friction depends on the smoothness and or roughness of two surfaces which are in contact. Next is friction depends on the force with which the two surfaces are pressed together. So students, today we will do up to here. Read the chapter up to here. Thank you. Have a nice day.